Next is ensuring free and fair elections. So in order to do this, there are some steps which are taken by the Election Commission. Let me read it for you. The first step that Election Commission take, it may send central observers to the constituencies. Remember I told you what is a constituency? An area marked for the purpose of election. जहाँ पे election होना है वहाँ पे election commission जो है वो observer भेजती है. Where there is a danger of violence or booth capturing. Booth capturing क्या होता है? जहाँ पे election होता है वहाँ पे कुछ लोग जाकर maybe they can capture your EVMs, राइट, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीन्स. तो अपनी मर्जी से ही वो बटन दबाते जाएंगे जिसको वोट डालनी है. देयर विल बी नो वन हु विल स्टॉप देम. if these sort of things are happening, then it is a booth capturing, right? So in order to stop it, election commission जो होता है, they send the observer. Second, this is done to ensure that citizens can vote freely without fear. बिना किसी डर के freely वो वोट कर सके. कौन? वोटर्स, right? The second is the commission countermands polling where it has reasonable doubt that some malpractices have occurred. तो यहाँ पे अगर कहीं इलेक्शन कमीशन को लगे या कंप्लेन आती है ज़्यादा या लगता है कि ये श्योर होगा कि some malpractices have been used there, तो उस जगह पे दोबारा इलेक्शन किए जा सकते हैं, राइट. Third is, in terms of recent amendments to Representative of People's Amendment Act, that is 1996, the Commission prescribes severe punishment for booth capturing. अब इसके लिए booth capturing के लिए एक severe punishment रखती है. Appointment of polling officers. The Election Commission appoints polling officers, right, for the constituencies. This process is set into motion as soon as notification for the conduct of elections is made. And you might have seen this thing. Maybe your mother, your father, who are in the government services, they are being given this duty of polling officers or observers. तो जैसे ही पता लगता है कि दैट डेट ऑफ द इलेक्शंस हैव बीन डिक्लेयर्ड, जैसे ही डिक्लेयर हो जाती है, तो वैसे ही ये ड्यूटीज़ जो हैं वो असाइन कर दी जाती हैं. एंड द पीपल स्टार्टेड मूविंग टूवर्ड्स दैट constituency. Each constituency is put under the overall supervision of an officer not less than a rank of deputy commissioner. तो हर एक constituency को एक ऑफिसर के अंडर रखा जाता है, उसकी सुपरविजन के अंडर रखा जाता है, which is having equal power to the deputy commissioner of the district or district magistrate. The officer is designated as returning officer. Then who is the returning officer? That each constituency is given an officer to supervise having equal rank to the deputy commissioner is called returning officer. It is his responsibility to declare a candidate fit for contesting the election, right? So it means election commission has the authority or the power to stop a person from contesting the election also. At the time of election, presiding officers in charge of polling booth and counting centers are also appointed. Sometimes they can ask you this question: who are the presiding officer? Presiding officers are the in charge of polling booths. Polling booths क्या होती हैं? जहाँ पे लोग जाके वोट डालते हैं. That particular area जहाँ पे लोग जाकर EVM रखी होती है, जहाँ पे ये लोग जाकर वोटिंग करते हैं, that area is called a polling booth. Next is the scrutiny of nomination papers.